Okay, this is a tutorial on this Owon AG1022F signal generator on how to turn off the beep sounds. For example, I have a value of 640 here, and if I reduce that first number, when I hit the 0 and I kept on rotating the button, it makes that sound. So how to turn off this sound? Press the utility button here on the right side, utility, go to system with F4, go to the previous page with F4 or the next page depending where you were before. Okay, and here it is, beep, it's on, and press F1. First it goes there, press F1 again, and now it's on off. You can exit with the utility button, and now if I reduce the first number, now it does not make the sound anymore. Up and down. Okay, utility, system, we are already on the second page, and beep on, utility to exit, and now it's beeping again. Utility, system, beep off, utility again, and now it's not beeping.